Let's face it, there are thousands of make money online videos that you've probably seen recently, and most of them usually require you to invest up front. But what if you have very little to nothing to invest? Is there a way to receive commissions like this without spending money on ads? Well, I bring you good news. In this video, you will learn how to make money without any upfront investment. So even if you are a broke college student, even if you are feeling overwhelmed and confused, you can do this too. But in order for this to work, you must follow these steps closely. Your first step is to hit the like button. Next, subscribe to this channel to get notified when there is a brand new video. And the third step is to head on over to www. Step 1. Head on over to clickbank.com. Step 2. Go into the e-business and e-marketing niche and find a product that pays out big commissions. One great example of this would be known as the Super Affiliate System. This pays out over $500 per single sale. Step 3, you'll want to click on the promote button, then get your affiliate link right here. And once you have your link, all you have to do is copy that, and then head on over to facebook.com, where you will then go ahead and spam this link all over Facebook. Buy my product. Just kidding, don't do that. So all jokes aside, the very first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head on over to a site called muncheye.com, and this is where you could find affiliate products that are about to be released to the marketplace. Now, this strategy that I'm going to be showing you here is something known as launch jacking, and how this works is you pretty much refer customers to specific products, very much like affiliate marketing, except in this case, you're promoting products that have not yet been released to the marketplace. So why exactly am I going to be showing you this strategy, and why is it so effective? Well, the benefit with launch jacking is that you have very little competition, but yet there's going to be a lot of search volume for these specific products. So there's a lot of products that are about to be released to the marketplace, and currently right now at the time that I'm filming this, it is currently May 19th of 2020. So that's the time that I'm currently filming this, but for example, on May 25th, Todd Spears is going to have this product coming out called Rank in Rent Club, which is going to be priced around $1,000 to $2,000. There's also this product right here on the 27th of May, Video Tick. I'm guessing this is something to do with TikTok. And there's a whole bunch of different products you can, of course, go through. And all these products right here in the left category, these products right here is in the big launches category, meaning that whenever someone searches up for one of these products, when it, of course, gets released, there's going to be a lot of search volume for that. So the benefit with this strategy is you can get in front of these people who are looking up information, and you can promote any of these products and get paid whenever you refer a customer. So let's say, for example, that you want to check out this Rank in Rent Club right here. So if I click on this right here, this will bring up where I can, of course, check out exactly what this is all about. If I head, and then from here, you'd of course want to head on over to the JV page, and this is where you can, of course, get more information in terms of what this product is going to be all about. So it looks like here they have a little video that pretty much explains what that's going to be all about. So my computer's, of course, glitching a bit there. But what you would of course want to do is you would want to take the time to watch the video, learn more about what this is going to be all about, go through the entire page, see exactly what they're going to be offering here. And then what you could do is you could scroll down to the bottom, and usually at the bottom there will be a section where you can contact one of the owners here. So it looks like here you could reach out to either of these guys, Herc Magnus or Todd Spears, and you could reach out to them. In this case, it looks like on Facebook. So what you could do is you could check out one of their Facebook pages, and then you could send them a personal message. So to give you an idea, here's what I wrote to one of the members of this product. I wrote, "Hello, Todd. I just recently came across the new Rank in Rent Club product that you and your team are releasing soon, and I'm excited to learn more. I'm interested in reviewing this on my YouTube channel. Would you be opening to provide me with a free review copy? If so, that would be awesome. Thanks so much in advance. Sincerely, Arie," right there. So what you could do is you could write a message like this. You could send it to the actual, to one of the members. And what's very likely going to happen is, in most cases, this owner will be open to providing you with a free review copy. And in this case, what you could do is they'll give you access to a review copy of that specific product, and then you could choose to create a review for that product. Now, don't worry, you don't have to necessarily, if you aren't necessarily like comfortable creating videos, I'll show you a very easy way to do this very simply. But the benefit with this strategy is you can get in front of a very targeted audience, people that are going to be looking up this exact product, and you're going to have very little to no competition. So to give you an idea, if I head on over to YouTube right now and I type in Rank in Red Club Review, as you can see right here, there is pretty much no competition for this product. I see like one video right here, Rank and Rent, but I don't even know if that's a review for that exact product, or it looks like it is. So you have one other video that is talking about this exact product right here. It has under 200 subscribers, the channel, and the video already has 1,000 views. Now really think about this for a minute. When someone searches up product name plus review, they are very likely in that buying mode, meaning that if you can get even just 100 people to watch a video, people that looked up product name plus review, these are people that are going to be very interested in buying that product, and it's very likely that you're going to make sales using this strategy. So what you could do is you can create a review of this exact product, and in most cases a lot of these products are digital products, so you'd of course be recording your computer screen. So the one thing that you would need to do videos like this is you would need some sort of screen recording software. And one great one that you could of course check out is called screencast-o-matic.com. This is actually a tool that I used myself, and I've used it for well over 6 months. I've used Screencast-O-Matic as well as OBS, and these are both free to use. They're completely free, and they allow you to record your computer screen. So you'd of course want to have one of these screen recorders, and preferably some sort of mic. So if you have a microphone lying around, a headset, or even like in a lot of cases the microphone on your computer would be even good enough. But what you could do is you can create reviews on YouTube of that specific product. You can get it ranked for keywords such as product name plus review, depending on what you're reviewing. Is product name legit? Is product name a scam? Is product name worth it? You could target these type of keywords, and because there's pretty much no competition, it's going to be very easy for you to get a video ranked in the top spot right there, meaning that anytime someone looks up the product name plus review and they click on the video, they are very likely going to be in that buying mode. So when they watch the video and they get lots of value from it, then what they could do is they could decide to check out the product in the description. In this case, if you have your own video up, then you could of course have it linked down below to whenever someone clicks on this link and they decide to buy that product, then you of course get paid that commission. So that's pretty much how the entire strategy works right there. There's of course, YouTube is of course one way to go about this. Otherwise, if you don't feel like creating videos, and let's say that you prefer writing, you could even do something like written reviews. So you can, if I look up Rank and Rent Club Review in Google, you'll find that there are plenty of reviews up here about exactly what it's all about. So Rank and Rent 2020 Complete Guide. There's one review right there. There's another one. So there's a few of them right here that pretty much go over exactly what it's all about. But you can create your own review if you have a website that you have built up. Or even if you don't have a website, you could always head on over to a site like medium.com, and you can create a blog, a written review on this exact platform right here. And the benefit with medium.com is it's very easy to get articles ranked, because Medium is a high authority website where there's tons of people writing great articles on this platform. And it's very much like YouTube, except it's pretty much like for written content right there. So all you really have to do with this strategy is you just have to be consistent. You have to constantly find products that have lots of search volume. Find ones that are going to be having lots of buzz going around. And the benefit with this is that if you're doing this consistently, if you're consistently reviewing different products that have lots of search volume and low competition, it's going to be very easy for you to make sales by doing this. And I'll even show you an example of someone who does this. So there is a channel by the name of Jono Armstrong, and this guy actually created an entire YouTube channel pretty much specifically using this exact strategy. So what he does is he finds products that are about to be released to the marketplace, and what he does is he gives reviews. So he pretty much goes over, like big ticket commissions review, insurgency review, affiliate magician review, storm review, curation cloud review. There's a whole bunch of affiliate products that he is creating review videos for, and this is how he makes his money through YouTube. So the benefit with this strategy is, again, you don't have to invest anything up front. You know, if you want, you could invest in like the premium version of Screencast-O-Matic. You could invest in a microphone, but other than that, it's very easy to make sales with this exact strategy without having to have much of a following or much money to invest up front. So that's pretty much everything that I wanted to go over in this video, and I highly recommend that you check out Jonah Armstrong's videos to, of course, get a better idea of how this all works. But if you want to learn more about how to create more of a full-time income with YouTube, and you want to be able to learn how to create more of a passive income online, because, you know, here's the one thing with this strategy: you can definitely make a lot of money by doing launch jacking. However, the one downside with it is that you do have to be putting in lots of work consistently. So, you know, usually like you put up a video, and when that product gets released, you get a ton of views for a little bit, and, you know, you might make a few sales that way. But then long term, those videos, they might not be making you money, you know, much money in the long term. So the question is, how can you make more of a passive income on YouTube, where you could be, you know, be able to have like an entire library of videos that pretty much do all the selling and selling for you, so you could have much more freedom. So the very second link in the description, which is this link right here, it says grow a profitable YouTube channel without showing your face. This is going to take you to a free training that's going to show you step by step how to grow a YouTube channel, a profitable YouTube channel, and make a full-time income online without filming yourself. So if you want to learn how to create a passive income online, and you aren't necessarily comfortable creating videos or getting on camera, this training here is something that I definitely recommend checking out, because this training allows you to pretty much build a full-time income online without having to actually get on camera. So in this training, you're going to learn specifically how to find affiliate products that sell themselves, and how to quickly attract buyers without doing keyword research. You're also going to learn how to make viral videos with your voice in 15 minutes without showing your face. And you're also going to learn how to go from 0 to 1,000 subscribers in the shortest amount of time possible. And this is known as the snowball method. So all you have to do right now is just click on the second link down below. It's going to take you over to this page. You just want to click on this button that says, yes, reserve my seat now. And from here, all you really have to do is just select the date on when you'd, of course, be available to attend, your time zone, and then from there you just enter your first name, your email, and you click on the register now button. And from there, you will be well on your way to making a full-time income from YouTube without having to show your face. So I hope you found lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up if you found lots of value here. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video, and take care.